see if you can get it.
Right. Oop, out. Move it on out. Come on, strong gal.
Our muscles.
Truck.
Okay.
Feel me? He did it by himself.
I see. You good now?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
By himself.
I see. Oh, you got it.
Hey, get your stuff. Spit the ball.
Somebody will pick it up before the end of the day, I'm sure. Somebody will pick it up before the end of the day, I'm sure. Yeah. We got our money's worth. Problem number one. This wire goes up. It's got a janky connection right there. Like what? Then it continues up. Goes that way through the wall. Come back on this side. Comes out. Follows this quarter round trim situation here, goes all the way over, comes back down, and then goes behind the door trim. Let's see if I can see where it goes from there. This is weird. You can see daylight under the door. It is pulled all the way up, but that threshold is I don't know, it's whatever. I don't know, I guess that's just river stripping. So yeah, so that wire comes outside. You can pick it up there, and then goes around to, ow, water dripping on my head, to whatever that is, that electrical thing there that looks janky also. I don't know. And then this, I didn't know the wasp nest was there. This light, we've never used it because it's hooked up janky. It has this orange extension cord wire that goes through the wall again. And that's what this is. Comes through the wall there, and that's what this wire is. So I'm assuming that it's supposed to, they maybe plugged it in there to operate the light outside. I don't know. Weird. Anyway, hole there from the electrical work I had done recently. Hole in the ceiling. None of the drywall has been finished, and this quarter round trim around the top is that's not what it's made for. So I don't know. I got these shelving here. Total mess. All of this in these bins here. This is all kitchen stuff. So washing machine was here. Just took that out today. And then sink. Not hooked up yet. Plumbing work needs to be done. So this is the old plumbing hookup. What you just saw was actually a major improvement from the original state of this plumbing. This is how I had to rig this situation up so the washing machine would be able to drain. This plumbing problem resulted in me having to redo my entire kitchen. But I used to have to let the water drain into these buckets, and then I would take the buckets outside to dump them out. It was horrible. I had a plumber come out and he connected the plumbing in the way that you see today, which was a great improvement from how it was before. Kind of janky. Get a professional to work on that for me. Rehook it. This line here goes through the wall. It went through the wall to the kitchen where the washing machine was. So this needs to be turned back this way. And whatever. Hook this up right so the sink can hook up properly and no leaks. And then drywall needs to be repaired. Baseboards. All the things. So a lot of work to do. We'll see how it turns out. All right.
How you doing? Washer, no dryer.
Yeah, that's a washer.
No new dryer. We
new
got a new
dryer.
dryer.
Oh, okay.
We just need a new washer.
You need a new watch. Okay, then. I got it.
I know y'all got a sale today.
Yeah, most of these don't come. Going off on 28th. That's pretty close.
Today.
That's today?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I didn't realize it.
Yeah.
Wow. They go off there all day.
Today.
That means they don't put me working now.
Changing all the things. Yeah. Call in tomorrow.
Yeah, don't
Like,
tell.
I'm sick. I can't make it.
You was on the tip of my tongue.
27 inches. I want something that's not so deep because you know it's a small space.
You want something that's not so deep?
Yeah, like don't stick out too far.
Oh yeah.
So that's the one
Cooler.
with the thing I was telling you about. What you call
A
it?
little circle behind it that the regular ones don't have. I remember the conversation.
Yeah, something with an eye. You know, I'm also like I like the best deal too. So you know the ones that say like 26% off, I'll be like, okay. You know.
Like this one.
Yeah. 26% off.
Okay. So what matters the most?
What matters the most to me? Price probably matters. I want a good deal. That's probably what matters the most.
That's why we're here today.
And
On the last day of the deal day.
right, so I want a good deal. I think what matters the most though is how it fits in the space because I don't want to have to be squeezing around it.
Right.
So
What you think we should get a 27?
okay, well let's see. Let's see what the 27s are.
So this is just 10% off. But
Right.
27.
Right.
You want a bigger deal?
But I think size is more important.
Size. See, one day we'll have a house we won't have to worry about size.
Yeah. I'm not gonna have to knock a wall down.
Right.
Okay, so you stay by this one. I'm gonna just check the other side one more time. Right. That's a driveway. Like this one is 27 deep. And it's 25% off. It's got the agitator though. This one is 27 with the low thingy. 27 inches deep. And it's 25% off, say $200.
27.
27.
Okay.
What you think? This one is
It's cheaper too. That's 600.
right.
Okay, get that one. Price and depth. So that's the one then.
Well, my two options are this paint here, porch and patio paint, or linoleum. Can it be tinted? Deep base, slate gray.
It's turtle. Yeah.
This right here.
Ugly though.
This what it looked like in real life. Decisions. They ain't got many options
You talking about the linoleum for the room?
for the
For
laundry
the
room.
laundry room.
Yeah,
Oh. I think you need to brighten it up in there.
right. That's why I was
So,
thinking
yeah,
something lighter.
Yeah, something light like that. Yeah, that'll work.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm looking at the appliances you put in there. You have white drywall. It's gonna be basically white room, right?
No, probably put some color in there, but not the floor needs to be kind of neutral. The appliance is gonna be white.
What color wall?
I don't know, but I
That's
just
what I'm saying. That's what's gonna determine everything.
true. I thought about wallpaper in one wall, but they're gonna deliver it on the 6th. So if I can get some stuff done before then, that would be great.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You got help, so
Yeah.
you can knock it out. We got a little timetable. I like doing projects with a deadline.
Definitely got a deadline.
I love it. I love it because that's how you know
Force you
you're
to
gonna
be
get some shit
productive.
done.
Yeah.
you're gonna get some shit done. That's how I got that movie done.
Right.
Forced to have a deadline.
Yeah, and you know, I said about my SMART goals.
Man.
Need to be time bound.
Yeah, man.
Because if you don't have a timeline, there's no sense of urgency.
Mm-hmm.
And it's just gonna be forever.
And it'll be you be a 94 finishing. No. So yeah, I'm with you on that.
Okay.
So now what?
Well, let me figure out the wall situation. So I guess I just need to repair the walls, get everything out, repair the walls first. That's first step.
Okay.
Then I'm probably gonna make a trip back. So I guess we don't need to get anything else today.
Okay.
Okay, so had all these ideas in mind of going to Home Depot and doing this and that, and then walked out with nothing. Ordered the washing machine, just called the plumber. They said they can maybe come out by Friday. The washing machine is supposed to be delivered on the 6th, so that's perfect. That gives me the rest of this week. It's Wednesday. I got the rest of this week and next week to do whatever I'm going to do. So I need to get my plan together, like ASAP. Like I'm going to reuse a lot of stuff I already have because I'm doing this on a budget. And if I can do this for like $100, think I can pull it off? $100. I think that's gonna be my budget.
$200. No less than 3. I'm crazy.
$100. You don't think so? You don't think I can do it?
No, I don't. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Okay. We'll see.
Hell no.
See. I maybe can't. Maybe I can't.
I mean, it's hard when you in construction and you, like you say, you've been studying it from a real estate perspective, and then they always tell you to round up whatever you say your budget is. So you say 100, I say 3.
Okay. 300 would be great.
Mm-hmm.
That would be awesome.
It would be.
That would be
Because
great.
you gotta think about it. You flipped a bathroom for under 5.
Under 1,000.
What was it, under 1,000?
It might have been under 5. I don't know.
I thought you said 5. Oh no, it was 1,000. It was 1,000. So, you know, you have to kind of round it to that degree.
Well, we're going to see. I'm not including the cost of the washing machine, obviously.
Right, of course.
That's not included, but the room itself, okay, I'm gonna see. This is gonna be a challenge for me.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll just see what happens. I don't know. I'm excited to challenge myself this way because I already have some things, and I'm going to reuse the cabinets from the kitchen. The only thing that may cost, like, may push me over my budget is wood. If I have to buy wood, like for the baseboards and the trim, just the trim work. Well, we gonna see. I'm gonna try. See if I can do it for $100.
All right.
Up to 3.
I'm like $100. Nah, buddy. That's wishful thinking.
Okay. Oh, so you saying I can't do it?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Because it's gonna be always. It was 110 only because I'm like, see, I told you.
Mm-hmm. Challenge accepted.
Yeah, it's out there too. Full-fledged challenge.
Well, let's see what happens. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. And I'm on a time limit.
Yeah.
I have to be done by Thursday next week. So I have a week.
Okay.
1 week.
There you have her.
So, yeah. I better get on it, huh? Come back in 2 weeks for the next episode.